Stacking. If you dear, I say escape. Not then. Yeah. Papa, men, I'm me fear me, no. Any be no. When I bought them, I call who are da, Lomiazo. I don't mean, hey, Yamena, me this a come out quad or pado. That was near some fast winning, Miss Unamena.
Hey! Don't come closer. Hey!
Boss.
What's going on here?
Boss, Miss Lo.
No. Am I asleep or what? Am I still asleep or what?
Boss,
Hey!
Boss, Miss Lo. Boss, Miss Lo.
Comfort!
Boss, met my church.
Oh, no, wait. What are you doing here for the first place? Now, what is going on here?
Boss, Madam.
Hey!
My boss, Miss Lo, met me at church.
This bread is for me and my wife alone. I'm in Queen. What are you doing for the first place? I ask you a question. If you don't answer me...
Boss, my church. Boss, my church.
Now?
Boss, my church.
Explain. You're prolonging. Explain. What is it?
Boss.
What are you doing for the first place? I'm talking to you. Answer me.
Boss. Madam. Oh, what in him age, my way?
Look at you.
Madam,
Are you a witch or what? Are we changing my wife to you? Like, I don't get it.
Boss,
Do this filthy house help.
Boss, Miss
My maid in my bed.
Boss, Miss Madam. Boss, Madam. Madam, would there be an OP?
Okay.
No, the mere vibration. Why am I? You cry and finish you. But here was this a man.
Come again, like repeat what you just said right now.
Boss,
repeat the statement. So,
Madam, do me to me at son and I know
Jesus.
I'm not a danny, I'm not down much. I know about much. And about much, no AP. No, another me make on that vibration. Boss.
My queen,
Boss.
my wife to be,
Boss, yes.
replaces you every night.
Boss, yes, of course. Boss.
Tell me you're joking. Tell me you're kidding.
Boss, no crew. Boss.
So fine. Talk to me.
Boss.
I'm saying,
Boss.
so if my wife, I mean queen,
Boss.
replace you and go out,
Boss.
what do we have in common?
Hey!
What do we do?
Boss, you're not she though. Miss me. Won't me that Miss Mindy would do. And now she.
Tell me the truth, I'm talking to you as well.
Boss, no credit make home. Won't she?
Are you sure of what you say?
Boss, do not know. Sure.
Stop, you're annoying me.
Boss, I'm a kind
It's okay, quiet. You're annoying me.
Boss, undi you, Miss Mindy. I need a dog.
Judge, Lord of mercy. Like seriously. Queen replaces my maid every night. Yes. And walks out.
Yes.
Okay. You know something? I want to do something for me. If it's not your fault, I can now see the blame is not from you. I need to blame Queen rather. So you know something? If you want to stay this place, to stay here, to be doing your normal routine, your job, your household chores and everything, do me this favor right now. Just lie down.
Boss, okay, boss, ain't you no.
Quiet!
Boss,
just lie down as if we are still asleep.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Good. Lie down.
Thank you.
I said lie down when you are looking at my face. Like seriously. Queen, how come? I don't get it, I don't understand it. I didn't know why. When you be this common man, like, what is it? Is it a prank or what? Okay, we shall see. I'm waiting for her. I know definitely she will come. Hey, I said sleep.
Okay.
If you know that you come close to the house, I will slap you. I said, give me intervals. Give me gap. Don't come close to me. You have been smelling.
Sorry, boss.
Ayuko. Atajwa. Queen. Ayuko. Atajwa. Mama Ayuko la. Afonama. Awe, manya bia mo lo baba afonama. Atajwa manya bia mo lo baba afonama. Ayuko na osia. Ayuko kata. Nu de share the woman la baba Ayuko. My girl. Don't know. You know something? In this life, everything that you do got an end. I mean it. Everything, every day for tip man, one day for policeman. I told you how many months, like, you know, how many weeks have you been doing this, or is it even a year or what? I don't talk to me right now. You are telling me you've been doing what? Atajwa. Hey, Atajwa. Who can you see? Who are you then? Mommy, why don't I say? Goliath, why don't I? I'm talking to you. You're telling me. Why don't I say? You are pissing me. You are probably. You say what? What's the sense of anyone I say? Huh? Atajwa. No, I don't get this clear. Obama this secretary dia ware. What me sorry from in chain. And they made me a house help every time in chain. Like how? I don't get it. She has told me everything. Everything that I know you have been planning with her. She has revealed everything to me right now. All the secrets and everything has been revealed today. Atajwa, like seriously, do you mean it? My old DM me all day. Come me housemaid, me house hand. I'm trying to car. What's me then will be telling me much money bed? Bed that belongs to me and you. Hey, there you. Me your day. Like I don't me your day. Me your day. I be an answer a different day. What's me as to who quite who could do away for another day? I'm asking you what's the answer me. Who are now who to?
Oso kasa. Bema kasa. Oso nyanu kasa. And I made you feel like a super kasa. And wait to. Are you also talking? Are you also talking now? Yet Bema can see commodity the monas wife. You will not hear I say. Bema you will not show up and now. Oso kasa. Oh yeah, baby, I saw. I'm going to you are nobody. Who knows? Me nobody. Nobody. Huh? Nobody. Are you never go? Shall I say? Me or bar. What's a better 1 hour where I'm going to say? What would him? Yeah, I said, Ben, I will know that 2 seconds. 2 now, by your own Casa.
It's not in front of my house.
Shall I say? It's one
hey, go clear up, boy.
Stand here, hey, stand here.
Hey, I
say stand here.
Hey, hey.
Why going? Stand there.
I thought you come here.
Where stand there? Where woman mercy? Stand there. Who by self Casa? Where am I? Hey,
you don't respect again. You don't respect again. Now you go to the stand up. Disgracing me in front of my house. Help or what? My maid telling her that I'm 2 minutes man or what?
More than 2 minutes. Seconds.
Our secret like we have been hiding.
Why?
Make a man but no people. Must take a show. Wouldn't no must we want to trust me. Who out. Go there. No respect again or what? Huh?
Hey.
I'm talking. You are talking.
Hey.
I'm talking. You are talking.
Hey.
You are talking not to me. You don't respect.
Hey. Where is it? Put him in boy.
What's the name?
We see put him in po.
Thank you, Mebo. Hey. To see me where you say when you are traveling to Yesa.
Why am I?
Me what not nice now with you. You say what you back to me. Hey. Now, what does it like do respect? Why not make an offer not make no? What was saying I say back to me. I said come must check the house me.
It's sir. And I'll propose so me no now let the account. 2 seconds man. I won't be ready.
Open, you can't miss him, Jordan. And to so by
Call me 2 seconds, man.
More than 2 seconds. Oh,
Is something?
my
I'm done. Listen to me. I'm done with you right now.
Shakwata.
I can't deal with you again because if you're calling me 2 seconds, man. I tell me that's in home. Obusu 4, Elsewhere, and so Monjo Tata, Monjo 2. Because I'm sending you back to the village where I took you from, where I pick you from. I pick you from the gutters. And now they're going to me 2 minutes, man, right?
Open Paul. Darling, you know something. What the other man said? Me.
Don't try me.
Hit me.
Don't try me. Queen, don't try me. I told you. You better leave before I do something crazy right now. I'm something stupid right now.
Who can't do nothing. You can't do foco. You can't say that. Share. Make me go out with me.